Hey everybody, this is a kid and I just missed it. Welcome to another video. Today we're doing another Five Nights at Freddy's video. And today we got the Foxy action figure. I found this at the mall at Gamestop. I can't believe they had it there. I have the other two right here, Freddy and Golden Freddy. Let's open it. So here is Foxy. Foxy. So Foxy's pretty awesome. He's got his hook. Now I'm gonna make a pose for him. There's a pose for Foxy. And he also comes with the body to spring trap. There's spring trap. Now I gotta add Foxy to my collection. So there you go, guys. So we had an unboxing of Foxy and a spring trap body. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh. Stop focusing on my face. Stop it. Stop it.
Talk about how articulated it is, and then talk about spring trap coming with it.
Ah. Ah. Stuff. Hey everybody.
Wait, time out.
Hey everybody. You messed it up.